crypto sentiment is shifting again, and experienced traders are paying attention. As market confidence slowly rebuilds, conversations surrounding ecosystem growth, trading activity, and speculative positioning are becoming louder. Mature ecosystems continue attracting attention, but another pattern is quietly returning underneath the surface: early-stage positioning. This is where the next 100x crypto discussion begins. Some investors continue building conviction around long-term blockchain ecosystems. Others react quickly to market volatility and short-term momentum. But experienced market participants often search for opportunities before narratives fully mature, when pricing structures remain transparent and competition for entry remains lower. That changing sentiment is helping. Place APEMARS into the wider next 100x crypto conversation, while stage 23 pricing remains active at 0.000541105. Where smart money is moving, patience, speed, or early positioning, crypto investors rarely behave the same way. Some favor patience and long-term conviction. Others thrive on momentum and execution speed. Between these two mindsets sits a smaller category of participants focused almost entirely on timing. This timing-focused group frequently drives early conversations around the next 100x crypto because they prioritize positioning before narratives become saturated. Rather than chasing crowded narratives after market attention peaks, they often look for structured opportunities where pricing progression. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And early participation mechanics still exist. APEMARS is increasingly appearing inside that conversation because stage 23 still offers structured access before broader exposure develops. Cardano Conviction Engine: why patient investors follow the next signal ADA Cardano has long been a project of interest for patient investors who see long-term value in its layered architecture and ongoing upgrades. Recent momentum in ADA suggests that a new wave of attention is forming around the Cardano ecosystem. This renewed interest is not just speculative, but is supported by on-chain activity and developer progress. The combination of Cardano's fundamentals and the broader market's appetite for early-stage positioning is helping to push APEMARS into the next 100x crypto conversation. The market is not just reacting to hype, but to a growing belief that structured positioning in early-stage assets can lead to significant returns before the broader market catches up. The role of Hyperliquid and market velocity. Hyperliquid's activity is a key indicator of current market velocity. As one of the most liquid perpetual futures platforms, Hyperliquid reflects the real-time movement of capital across different crypto assets. The increased trading volume and position sizes suggest that traders are actively exploring opportunities in assets like APEMARS, which are still in an early phase of adoption. This activity is not random. It's a reflection of a broader shift in investor psychology towards seeking structured opportunities in less saturated markets. The next 100x crypto conversation is not just about hype or speculation. It's about positioning before saturation. The current environment is favoring those who can identify and act on early signals before they become widely known. APEMARS is gaining traction in this context because it offers a structured access point before broader exposure develops. This is not to say that APEMARS is guaranteed to be the next. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. 100x crypto. The market is unpredictable, and sentiment can shift rapidly. But what is clear is that the conversation around the next 100x crypto is evolving, and APEMARS is becoming a part of that discussion. The combination of early-stage positioning, market velocity, and growing interest in structured opportunities is helping to push APEMARS into a more prominent position in the broader crypto narrative. The next signal to watch will be whether APEMARS can maintain its position in the conversation as broader exposure increases, and whether the broader market begins to take notice of the structured positioning that is currently underway.